Hello friends, मैं GDS Rental से Dr. Rohit Sharma and today we are going to see what is VarioLink, where it is used and why it is used. Friends, this video is going to be very short and in case you want to learn more about VarioLink, then I would advise you to watch my previous video in which I have discussed its various property in detail. I will leave a link in description box below. On internet, you will find VarioLink N and VarioLink Aesthetics. In India, we get VarioLink N and for Western countries, it is VarioLink Aesthetics, but both are the same cements. Basically, VarioLinks comes in two forms, Dual Cure DC and Light Cure LC. And you can use this cement on those restoration in which some amount of light can pass, like lithium disilicate material EMAX and composites. So I use this VarioLink for bonding my inlay, onlay and veneers made up of EMAX like material. There are many cements available in market which can solve your purpose for bonding veneers. But personally I like VarioLink because of 2-3 its great property. First is highly aesthetic results. And VarioLink LC comes in 3 shades. Basically it gives us freedom to match exact shape for the patient. As you know, VarioLink is amine free which makes it color stable. So when I place veneer with VarioLink, I have no tension about color, as I know from inside that color is going to be same after 10 years. And this property about VarioLink make it very unique. Second beautiful property of VarioLink is its high radio opacity. I love to see thin radio opaque line in my radiograph when I place veneer. This thin radio opaque line tells the accuracy of veneers on tooth. Plus, this high radio opacity of this cement also tell us if there is any extra cement interdentally or proximally. Previously, I also used some other cement to bond my veneers, but VarioLink radio opacity is best among them. And third useful property of VarioLink is easy cleaning. As resin cement bonds both to the tooth and our restoration, so our restoration going to last forever. But this property also creates a headache when it comes to cleaning. Ivoclar has made this cement very great, which means you can clean this cement just like type 1 GIC. Extra cement will come off just like flake. And for doing so, you don't have to cure it fully in starting only. You have to cure it for 2 seconds only and clean extra cement, then cure it fully. This initial 2-second curing will make this cement harder and easy to clean. Friends, personally in my clinic, I use VarioLink only for veneers, inlay and onlay. I don't use it for crown. For bonding crown, I use multi-link which is little pocket friendly for me. But you can also use VarioLink to bond a crown. Thanks for your time. If you want to know how to use VarioLink, I will leave a link in the description box. Thank you.